Disclaimer: the information in this video is for general informational purposes only. It is not intended as legal, financial, or investment advice and should not be construed or relied upon as such. Before making any commitment of a legal or financial nature, you should seek advice from a qualified and registered legal practitioner or financial or investment advisor. No material contained within this video should be construed or relied upon as providing recommendations in relation to any legal or financial product. BitGlue does not recommend or endorse any products and does not receive incentives based upon investment. Any investment advice does not take into consideration your financial situation, and all investors should consider their own risk and do their own research before final decision. Hey guys, in today's video, I just want to recap Power Ledger and Genesis Vision. At the same time, I want to tell you what my next investment is. And I've got a free Ledger wallet being given to one of my viewers. So like my page and make sure you comment, because winner will be chosen from someone in the comments list. I don't have plenty of subscribers at the moment, so your chances of winning are great. So at the moment, I'm only 80 subscribers. So you got a 1 in 80 chance if the 80 subscribers comment on the video. So tune in. I hope you like this video. And firstly, I do want to give out a Nano wallet to Mark Hallis. So congratulations, you've won a Nano wallet. Please send me your details so I can ship that off to you. And the reason why Mark Hallis has won a Nano Ledger is purely because of this comment. Power Ledger just hit Bittrex. Thanks to his comment, I was able to see that rise and I was able to ride that rise. Now, I've got two types of investment. I've got a long-term investment and a daily trade investment. So my long-term investment, that's locked away. I will attend to that whenever I want to sell it. I may sell it when I think it's really high and buy it back. But Mark Hallis allowed me to buy Power Ledger at its low price. I think it was at about 33 cents by then. And then I was able to sell it 90 cents. So he brought in $10,000 on the day for me. The least I can do is thank him with this Ledger wallet. So thank you, Mark Hallis. Thank you for posting. And I want everyone to comment and post something on my videos. I'm learning as we go. So I learn from you. I get tips from you at the same time. And it's little things like that that actually make a big difference in trading. Now, Power Ledger, we've seen a huge rise. If you listen to my video, I think in the video I stated that Power Ledger's current price was about 22 US cents. And I think it hit a top of 90 US cents. And then it dropped right back to 54. And then it's gone back up to 69. You're going to get this volatility. You're going to get movements in all coins, especially if Bitcoin's falling. I expect a lot of coins to be falling at the same time. It's market correction. It needs to happen. I guess if you're patient enough, you just see a rise back up. I saw the market cap at 300 billion last night, and today it's at 325 billion. So we have seen a rise overnight. So a lot of big things are happening with Power Ledger at the moment. They yesterday tweeted that they have taken their power to India. And as you can see, they're standing with Tech Mahindra. I think that's another electricity company. I haven't researched too much about them. But anyhow, they're a big thing, and this was long awaited. There was a lot of speculation regarding this deal, and it looks like it is a reality. And this shows that they're on the move. They're actually making connections worldwide, and Power Ledger is not Australian, it's global. So this is huge. So now I want to cover Genesis Vision. Now, Genesis Vision, I made a quick video on this. As you can see, it's only 4 minutes, and I grabbed it at $3. So ICO price was 65 cents. I only heard about it when it had already pumped to about $3. And if you go through this video, you'll see that I invested at 0.01 Ethereum, which is about $3 or so. The reason why I jumped on it is because their idea is fascinating. It's a great project, and some of the news from them is recently they've been having a meeting with Bittrex. They're having a chat with them. It looks like it's getting on Bittrex really soon. I think they have a working alpha product that they're playing around with and you can access yourself. And so it shows that they're actually pushing through with this project of theirs. And because of its low cap, like at 3.8 million, you're going to see it rise a fair bit. And we saw that. Like we saw it when I bought it at $3, it dropped to $1.80, I think it was, and then 2 days later it hit $9. So wow, imagine even getting in at the $1.80 stage. Now unfortunately I didn't, because I was locked up in Bitcoins, and I just refuse to invest more money into Genesis Vision just because of the Bitcoin rise. And I think it's got a lot of growth to it. When it hits Bittrex, I think it's going to hit $15, $20. At the moment, it's trading at about $6.54 US cents. So it's fairly cheap. And there's that rise, $9.19. So that's nice. Now, my next ICO investment that I want everyone to look at is Simple Token. I have invested in Simple Token. The token sale has ended, unfortunately. I'm sorry that I'm making the video now. I only bought it 2 hours before the ending of the sale, and I only heard about it yesterday or the day before, so I just didn't have time to make a video. Now, I don't think it's too late for you to invest once it does hit an exchange. For example, if we look at Power Ledger at the time when it came onto an exchange, it actually dumped to 5 cents and ICO price was 8 cents. So you actually got in at almost half price if you bought it on the launch day. Sometimes buying it at the token sale isn't all that. Like Red Pulse is another one, and that has dropped 50% in value as well, but that one's struggling to pick up. So when you kind of miss a pre-sale, don't think that you've missed out totally. At the same time, coins do move up and down, and I got in with Genesis Vision at $3 and it still paid off. So it depends what type of investor you are. If you're a short-term investor, probably want to grab it and then when you see a little rise, sell it. Or if you're a long-term holder, then I guess the pre-sales are good times to get in. Now with Simple Token, I'll just go over their product quickly. Simple Token allows you to make your own branded tokens for your business. This changes the way businesses run. They get into something that's revolutionary. This blockchain technology is amazing, and a lot of these ideas can be incorporated into current businesses and they can make their own money from a simple idea like Simple Token. So because it allows you to brand your own token name, where you're kind of selling your own brand, if this kicks off, this is amazing. You know, you can use it in cafes and get paid in your token. Just quickly going over it, you've got your token design, set up your own brand. You can even set your own conversion rate to Simple Token. So basically, your customers are trading Simple Tokens, but it's rebranded to your own business. So a quick example is a bit like what Binance does. Binance is an exchange and they've offered the Binance coin, which is called BNB. If you look at the Binance coin, they've created 199 million supply. This is a coin. The only idea behind it is that if you are trading on Binance, you can get 50% off the fees you pay if you buy their token and pay through their Binance coin. So look at that idea and look where it's hit, $2. That 199 million supply, of which 100 million they're keeping, is now worth $200 million. This is why ideas like the Simple Token project can allow other businesses to come up with similar ideas and just build their business and their brand. They'll be trading their token. There's a lot of money to be made. That's all I want to say. Will it get companies on board? Definitely. I mean, making your own token, it may have been hard before. Ideas like Simple Token is just making it really easy for any person to come and make their token and use it to up their business. So they got identity, KYC. They'll have their own user-friendly wallet designs, and I think you can use your own customized one to suit your economy. Enable various transaction types, such as user incentives, customer rewards. We've got a lot of customer rewards at local retail shops here in Australia. You sign up and accumulate these rewards, which you can then later on use for purchases. So, say 100 rewards equals to $10 in value, and you can buy $10 worth of anything in the store. Ledger. Offer your customers user-friendly ledgers to track and audit transaction. It's browsable and searchable, rights management, administration. So they got the lot. And there's a few business cases that you can go over if you do want to get into details. I don't want to go through everything because I'm just going to stretch out this video. But another good thing with Simple Token is that they've already got their coding up on GitHub. So this shows they're actually a step ahead. There's a lot of ICO tokens out there that are only telling you what their project's about and promising that they'll launch in 2020, and they don't even have a GitHub coding happening. They don't even show you if they've got an alpha or a beta product out there, but they just have like a roadmap that says in Q3 of 2018 we're going to have this. It's all a lot of crap with a lot of coins. The Simple token's already out there. They've got an alpha product that's gone live already, and so it rings the bell to invest. Also, one thing I want to do in my videos is I want to show you my investments every time. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that kind of say, this is the next ICO, this is the one that's going to moon, and I've invested a bit into it. Well, how much is your investment? $100? $50? And this is what they are, because what they do is they've got 85,000 subscribers and they've got a course that they sell off for $10 or $15. And so because they've got 80,000 subscribers, if let's say 20,000 of them go to this $10 or $15 course and they purchase it, they've made $200,000. So they will review every single ICO nearly that comes out, or one that looks a bit promising with an idea at least, just so that they can promote it. Obviously, they get a lot more subscribers and a lot of people commenting saying, thanks, you made me money, which is good, which is true. But at the same time, I'd like to see what their investments are. The only guy that I kind of always see show his investments is Ian Bellina. He's pretty cool with his investments, and he says I'm putting down 10,000, and he actually does. I saw it with Power Ledger. So congrats to anyone that did win on Power Ledger and Genesis Vision. I think Power Ledger long term has still got amazing growth. I think that Genesis Vision's still got amazing growth. And I think Simple Token's going to be the same. So Simple Token's market cap is at 800 million. Power Ledger's is at 1 billion. And so it's similar to Power Ledger. And I think the token price was similar to Power Ledger as well, which is roughly around 8 cents US. And they burned their additional tokens. The only negative that I can see in Simple Token is that they have another token sale, which is very small, that's happening in 6 months' time. I kind of don't like that idea of having token sale even 6 months down the track when it's in the exchanges. And it's a bit like what EOS is doing. EOS has got a token sale that's lasting 1 whole year, and just a bit, it kind of drags on a bit too much. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, but I do see Simple Token as an amazing idea. Their product is up and running. If you go onto their Twitter, they've got 14,000 followers, so the community is huge. If you go on their Telegram, they've got 6,500 members. I think they only had 5,000 and now it's 6,500. So the community is growing. There's a lot of positivity around it. Now, they achieved 189% of their token sale. They didn't anticipate it to be this big, but it's definitely grown. And so whoever got into at the token price, they would have got 40% as a bonus. Again, I do apologize for not letting you know in time, but not to worry. It's a bit like my Power Ledger video. I made that at 23 cents and it did hit 90 cents. So don't worry, don't think you've missed out. This idea is bigger than launch day. This investment's more of a long term, same as Power Ledger, same as Genesis Vision. If you want to take your winnings in between, by all means, everyone trades in a different way. Now, finally, I think this investment is amazing. Their token sale total was 46,828 ETH. It's something like 20 million US dollars. So they raised more than what Power Ledger did. The idea is as big as Power Ledger, and they've already got a working product. They've got a great team. Some of them have had great experiences. You can go through their website and see all of these facts. Again, I'm not going to tell you all this stuff and then tell you to invest and I don't invest. That's why I'm showing you that I have 11,694 ST. That doesn't include the bonuses of 40% that I'll get, so it'd be something like 16,000. I saw someone invest 33 ETH. They posted a photo, so there's a lot of positivity with these guys, and I think there's going to be some instant growth. Hopefully 3 times plus. So that 300% rise would be nice. Get in and finally like my video. Remember to comment on this video if you want that nano ledger. I will be selecting a random person, 1 in 80 chances. I don't have many subscribers, so definitely go for it. Thank you very much and have a great day and careful with your trading as always. See ya.